Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your Microsoft account password. So perhaps you have forgotten your Microsoft account password and so you want to be reminded of it. You want to try doing this before you go and do the full reset process. To go and get started, you need to go and open up the main web browser you use, whether that's Microsoft Edge or Chrome. Go and open it up. Now, what you want to try doing is checking the password manager in this browser. Often when you go and sign in, you may have gone and saved it, so we can go and see. If we can go and see it, this will vary a little bit depending upon the browser, but it's usually pretty similar. We need to head to our browser settings in Chrome. We can click the three dots near the top right. We can then come down and find the option for passwords and autofill and click Google Password Manager. At the top, we can click search. Try typing in live, it can be saved as that. We can then click on it and then we can go and see our username and our password. We can reveal it by pressing the I. Alternatively, if you use another browser, it's worth checking the Google account password manager in your account as well. Head to google.com and manage your account and you can check logins and passwords. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.